Religion has caused more damage to believers than almost anything else, because religion was never about revealing God. It was about controlling people through traditions, fear, and man-made systems. Now, Jesus himself said, "You nullify the power of God because of your traditions." He said that to the Pharisees. And today there's a lot of Pharisees in the church, especially. Religion puts people in a box. It gives rules without relationship. It paints God as distant, angry, and unreachable. When Jesus came, he revealed the Father's love, grace, and life. God was never trapped inside of religion. Jesus didn't come to start another religion. He came to bring you back to the Father.